Hello viewers, welcome to Device Manager. In this video, I will show some simple steps to increase your Wi-Fi speed that works on all versions of Windows. Without any further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Press Windows button and R on your keyboard to open the Run command window. There you type ncpa.cpl and click OK. It will take you to the Available Network Connections window. There right-click on the available Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. On the list, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. There, click on Obtain the following DNS server addresses. Under Preferred DNS server, type Cloud DNS address 1.1.1.1 and in alternate DNS address, type 1.0.0.1. You can also use the Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. These are powerful DNS addresses. You can use any of these and click OK. Next step, select Configure in Wi-Fi Properties. There click on Advanced. Select Roaming Sensitivity and on the right side choose Lowest if your Wi-Fi router is nearby your laptop, otherwise choose Medium if the router is far away. Lower the roaming sensitivity, higher will be the Wi-Fi speed. After choosing necessary settings, click OK. Now restart the computer and see the difference in the Wi-Fi speed. That's it. Let me know your doubts and queries through the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.